Hey everybody, this is Jeremy from Jeremy Ray Photography. I find myself in Western Washington once again. I'm at Juanita Park, about to head in and see what kind of critters I can find. Been here many times in the past, and it has proven to be a treasure trove for hawks and eagles and all kinds of different ducks. People in the past have said they've seen bobcats here. There's all kinds. I've seen a red-breasted sapsucker here once before. In the summertime, the eagles and ospreys are often trying to get catfish out of the bay here. I've seen otters, seals, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, let's take a peek and see what we find. All right, so I'm at the west end of Juanita Bay here, getting ready to take some stills. A couple options for boardwalks to walk down and look through the wetlands here to see what kind of creatures we find. So hopefully we'll have some cool stills to look at here. So I'm here on the north side of Juanita Bay. I just spent some time photographing a pair of male hooded mergansers and a female. Also a couple wood ducks. Got some pictures of the hooded mergansers in flight, and also got some preening pictures, and looking forward to going through them. So it's a little bit quiet down here today, but I'll keep on keeping on. We'll see if something extraordinary happens. Even if it doesn't, it's a beautiful day. A successful outing. Saw a couple pair of bald eagles, some spotted towhees, mostly birds today. Those wood ducks and the hooded mergansers, slew of other ducks. Looking forward to going through the images and sharing them with you here in the slideshow. Thanks for joining me. Bye.